Hello, and welcome to my elevator. My name is Anthony Sweeney, and I love to travel. I'm a cybersecurity major, and although the pandemic has kind of got the traveling ability limited, it has increased or made more opportunities for me being in cybersecurity. For example, we're all utilizing online services, video conferencing. There's more YouTube creators. You know, everybody's just online more now, and that's how we're staying connected, and it's pretty cool. But when I say everybody's online more, I mean everybody, including cyber criminals. So it's without a doubt in my mind that we'll also see a rise in cybercrime, and it's always better to handle that, deal with it before it happens rather than after it happens and your bank accounts, you know, empty, and you have all these credit cards opened up in your name, and you just don't even, you know, sometimes you don't even know that happened for months and months down the road. So and once again, my name's Anthony Sweeney, and if you have any more questions or want to talk more about the matter or anything else, or maybe doing a project for project management together, comment below or message me. This is my floor now, so y'all have a good one.